Good afternoon, everybody. What we have here is a 2015 Ford F550 Super Duty Power Stroke engine, and a customer came in with a complaint of grinding noise while applying the brakes, and while he's driving, the transmission seems to be downshifting and shifting erratically. This vehicle's got 103,000 kilometers on it, and upon further inspection, we did find indeed that it is grinding when you touch the brakes. And as you can see here, what we have is the front rotors. They were metal on metal contact to a point where the actual inside, the piston boots are starting to leak hydraulic fluid, along with the brakes. The friction material is completely gone. So what we have here is we've got a set of Raybestos heavy duty rotors. We're putting on a set of Raybestos heavy duty or severe duty brakes, along with new calipers, new hardware kit. We're going to lead it